Ticket system administrators can access reports for a variety of system activities, including as-run reports for ads and promos. Reports are accessed from the Flow home page or from the drop-down list in any report module. All system activity is reported in the audit report to identify the changes made by a specific team member and the time. The error report logs any out-of-bounds status conditions. All promo and spot activity is reported in the as-run report. To create a report for a specific time period, enter the start and end date and time. To output and save a report in Excel, PDF, or other formats, use the icons at the top right. The report is saved in the Downloads folder and is accessed from the browser's Download panel in the lower left.